SOUN Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. No BS, no fluff approach. Am I buying? Watch this short video till the end to find out. Somehow the AI stock is sitting at around 5.05. Honestly, I'm still super bullish myself, but the only way that I'm going to approach this right now, just to give you uh, context behind my message, I'm purely using my strategy that previously has given me thousands of wins in 2023, and I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. But nonetheless, looking at somehow the AI stock, I see this from a 30-minute perspective. Really, the only way that I'm really going to be bullish here, because we are pretty much on the bleeding edge, whether this thing is going to go up or down. As long as we stay with a full candle close above 477, this thing is still bullish. The second this closes like from a 2 hour candle close below this span with a full candle close, not just a wick, but a candle close, then yeah, I'm gonna delete all the bullish bars that I have, right? But yeah, so if it actually starts going up, I want to see a break, pull back, and then a second break. Only if that happens am I actually bullish like that. So it's not financial advice. And for a lot more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.